Hey you guys, here's a quick and easy recipe for candied yams. So I'm going to wash about 6 sweet potatoes. I'm going to boil them for 10 minutes to make them easier to peel. Alright, so I'll let them cool for a little bit and I'm just going to cut them up in smaller size, bite-sized pieces. So we're going to make our candy glaze. We are going to turn on medium-low. We're going to use 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and then half a cup of white sugar. Squeeze in the juice of a whole orange, and then I'm going to add, I'd say, about 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'm going to add in 1 heaping teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 heaping teaspoon of nutmeg. Alright, so I let that simmer for about 5 minutes and I'm going to pour everything over our potatoes. I did sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon on top of the potatoes, but I forgot to record it. Bake these for 350 in your oven uncovered, and here you go. Bye!